My name is Rock, and I've lost more weight than this dog weighs. Alright guys, this week I have just a quick update on the weight loss, and I've also prepared a short video with a soup recipe that I'll show after this. So I'll go right ahead with the weigh-in this morning. So here we go. 314 and a half. So that's 3.5 pounds from last week. So yeah, I started at 337 and this week, so I'm at 214 and a half, so that's 22.5 pounds. So it's pretty good. It slowed down a little bit from the first weeks, which was to be expected. And yeah, so pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how it's going. And in the few upcoming weeks, you should get some more a lot more fun videos. I'm expected to go do some stuff outside and to show you some really cool places, especially during the holiday week. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you then. All right, have a good week. Hey guys, I have another quick recipe for you today. It's a really low calorie soup. It's celery and spinach. I'm a big fan of spinach. I don't know if you noticed. So yeah, I have everything ready here already. I have some butter, 2 tablespoons of butter melting right now. You need 1 onion, 5 cups of chicken broth, or if you're a vegetarian, you could go just with water, I guess. I have 4 cups of celery. It's 1 potato, but depending on the size, like me, I had to take 2 small ones. Garlic and the spinach, which is 2 boxes of which, how big it is? 142 grams, so let's say 300 grams. So real easy. You start with your butter, you add your garlic, 2 tablespoons. You add your onion. You add a little bit of salt, not too much. There you go. So maybe a minute or two, you give it time to soften it up. Okay, so it's already pretty fragrant and it's softened already. So you can add everything else already. The potatoes and the celery. Your chicken broth, 5 cups. Alright, after that, you get it to a boil, and then you let it simmer for 20 minutes, and that's pretty much it. After it's simmered 20 minutes, you just pass it, put it in your blender in batches, because, well, my blender is not big enough for all this. Just put it in your blender and add the spinach in batches, and you mix it really well, and you're pretty much done. You could just adjust the salt and pepper if you want. You could add some parsley at the end or something, and that's it. It's pretty quick, very low calorie, very healthy, lots of iron and good stuff in the spinach. So I hope you like it.